baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Hello everyone! Today we are on our way to a hidden waterfall. It is located in Temesi village, Gianyar. This waterfall has opened recently and already attracts many visitors from both local and foreign. So, without any further ado, let's begin our journey.
Temesi Waterfall. Girl. Okay guys, as you can see for the entrance ticket in here, for foreigner is 25k and for domestic it's only 20k. Let's go. Okay guys, the journey to the waterfall is a little bit exhausting and tiring because there's a lot of stairs, so you have to bring a bottle of water. Keep fighting. Fighting! Where is the changing room?
The changing room is. You can see that, bro. Welcome to Temesi Waterfall.
Hooray!
Oh no, waterfall is a mess.
Okay guys, as you can see there are two rocks, big rocks, like an entrance for the waterfall back there. And locals said that this rock is like an entrance for the fairy tale, to the fairy tale world, yeah. Okay guys, so after a long time from suffering with the stairs before, like it's so exhausting and suffering, so we finally arrived at the magnificent waterfall right behind me. Ta-da! So let's just enjoy the moment, let's just take some photos and bye.
There are a lot of activities that you can do here. You can take pictures or videos with the waterfall as the background. Swimming, relaxing on the boulders, singing, or even making a TikTok videos.
Okay, so you guys must be careful because it's
Moss. Yeah.
Like Raya said, the stones are covered by moss, so we have to be careful when we walk around the waterfall.
Terus apa?
That is the end of our journey to Temesi Waterfall. Overall, this place is a good place to hang out if you are bored with the city. With water splashing down, birds chirping, and laughter of your friends, you can find peace in this place where you can be yourself. Awesome nature, clean areas, and also good people makes this area a must visit if you're in Gianyar.